Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to link Mailchimp with a WordPress website. This is my WordPress website, and first I will log in to my WordPress dashboard by filling my username and password here. Click on login. After that, go to plugins, click on add new plugin. Now search for MC number 4 WP, which stands for Mailchimp for WordPress. This is the WordPress plugin we will use to link our WordPress website with Mailchimp. It's provided by Ivory Code. Click on install now and wait a moment. After that, click on activate. Now go to MC for WP, click on Mailchimp. Now you need to get your Mailchimp API key. To get it, just click on this link, get your API key here. A new window pops up. Log in to your Mailchimp account, and directly you will land in this API keys page. If you didn't land in this page, just go to your profile icon from this corner, click on profile. Now go to extras and click on API key, and you will land on the same page. Now scroll down a little bit and click on create a key. Give your API key a name, for example, my WordPress website. Click on this generate key button, and this is your key. Now copy it just like that. Go back to your WordPress website and paste it here. Click on save changes. And now your WordPress website is connected to your Mailchimp account. As you can see here, this is my Mailchimp list name, list ID, and the number of subscribers. Now go to form. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Mailchimp online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to set up your Mailchimp account, how to manage your audience inside Mailchimp, also how to create a campaign and manage it, how to create landing pages and forms, integration and API, email customization and personalization, export and download, and also troubleshooting and maintenance. To get all of this today for free, plus these online courses in my university, all you need to do is to go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. From here, from this page, you can create a new form for your website visitors to subscribe to Mailchimp. Just give it a name and click on add new form. If you want to start collecting or subscribing people from your WordPress comment section, just click on comment form and make it and enable it from here. Now your people from your comments will be subscribed to your Mailchimp. Same things with the registration. The registered people on your WordPress website will be subscribed to your list on Mailchimp. And this is how to link Mailchimp to our WordPress website. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.